Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go over some basic controls around the steering wheel. Now, if you've got your first driving lesson coming up and you're a little bit unsure of where things are in the car, then hopefully you'll learn a little bit from this video. Now remember, every car is similar but also can be different inside, so make sure you get to know your car and know exactly where everything is before you get on the move. Now we're going to look at the stalk on the right hand side. In this car, everything to do with the wipers is on this stalk. You can see that because you've got little wiper symbols dotted all over it. Nice and simple. Now to use these stalks, okay, keep your hand on the wheel and use your fingers, so then you're in full control of the vehicle on the move. So to operate your wipers, nice and simple, what we want to do is move it up one notch. Now you can see there it's gone on to auto, so the wipers are going to look after the windscreen all by themselves. If it rains, the wipers will come on. If it stops raining, the wipers will go off, and it'll change the speeds depending on the rain. Nice and simple. If you needed more control over your wipers, then nice and easy, just move it up one notch and it's going to put it on that slow speed. Move it up again, they're going to go faster and they're going to continue at that speed. We'll move it down 2 notches and it's going to put it back on auto. That's what I like to leave it on. But to turn it completely off, then we'll move it down 1 and it's nice and level, okay? If we wanted one quick wipe because maybe something's hit the windscreen, water's hit it, now all you want to do simply is nudge that down and it's going to wipe the windscreen with one wipe and it's going to bob back up like that, okay? Now to wash your windscreen, again on here, hand on the wheel, pull and hold, that's washing your windscreen. To wash the back, the opposite way, so this time back of your hand, push and hold. There you go, you can see it's washing the back windscreen, and if you let go it'll stop automatically, okay? So to wash the front, pull and hold. To wash the back, push and hold, and then just let go and they'll stop automatically. Nice and simple. Now on your left hand side, all right, everything to do with your lights. Again, hand on the wheel, so you're in full control using your fingers. Up, you probably know that one, that's your indicator, right indicator. Down is your left indicator. Nice and simple, okay? Now lights, I've got auto mode for that, okay? So I like to leave it on auto. It's really good, does the job for me. If it goes dark, the lights are on, just like now. It's not even fully dark, but the lights have come on. And if it goes light, then the lights will come off. So nice and simple, it works really well. So if you want more control over your lights, if you move that up one, now on that setting, that is parking like side lights, okay? Now in the comments, tell me when you would be using your side lights, okay? Let me know when you would be using those type of lights, all right? And there's the symbol on the dashboard, lighted up green, okay? Move it up one again, okay? Now that's on dip beam, okay? It's going to stay on dip beam until I turn that off again, okay? So you can see dip beam symbol there, green, and the lights are pointing downwards. Now for full beam, okay, all we want to do, back of the hand, push that forward. We can see a jellyfish has appeared. Blue symbol there, full beam, lights are on. And to turn that off, simply just nudge it like that. All right, so on, full beam, off. Nice and simple, all right? And to turn it back, just simply turn that symbol all the way down. It's on auto. And if you want them completely off, there's a little 0 there, turn it to that circle, okay? Really simple. I like to leave them on auto. Let's leave it on that. Okay, so hopefully you've got a good basic understanding of how to use those controls. One of the main things, again, keep your hand on the wheel, use your fingers, take your time with those controls, I'm sure your driving instructor will go over them for you, but hopefully now you've got a basic understanding and a little bit more confidence going into your first driving lesson. Let me know in the comments if you want me to cover anything else, and feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for watching.